Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to gin and juice. Begin by squeezing fresh citrus and measuring gin before you start mixing to keep flavors balanced and bright. Use a shaker with ice, combine gin, juice, and a sweetener, then shake briskly until chilled. Taste and adjust with simple syrup or a splash of soda. Serve over fresh ice with a citrus garnish, smiling and enjoying the process. Warm up your hands and feel the rhythm of pouring precise measures for great cocktails. I like a 2:1 ratio to start, then taste and adjust for tartness or sweetness. Remember to use fresh ingredients and a reliable jigger to keep each cocktail balanced. A brisk shake with cold ice sets the tempo and creates a silky texture that lifts aromatics and smooths the drink. Presentation counts as much as taste when you gin and juice, so have garnishes ready. Express citrus oils over the drink, rim the glass if desired, and slap herbs gently to wake their scent. Choose glassware that matches the cocktail's body. Coupe for shorter, richly flavored drinks, highball for lighter, longer serves. A small ice cube can slow dilution and keep flavors focused as you enjoy the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.